Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the Artist Library section of the Music Tools tab. So let's get started. The Artist Library tool allows you to set up a list of artists on an Artist Library page. The page can be used to display artists that are played or represented on your radio station. There are two options you can use when adding artists to your Artist Library. The first option is to search for the artist. This is the recommended option because the artist search is pulled from the Last.fm database, which provides licensed images. So first, type in the name of an artist in the artist search field. Then click Search for Artist. Depending on the name that you search, multiple artists might pop up, so make sure you select the correct artist name and a corresponding photo of your choice. If you do not choose any of the images, the system will display a default icon for the artist on the website. Select the green Add Artist button, and the artist will be added to your artist library. The second option is to manually add an artist. This option is not recommended. However, if you do use this option, note that your station is responsible for images uploaded with this option. This means that Envisionwise and LinkedUpRadio are not liable to any copyrighted material that your station has uploaded. To use this option, type in your artist name, and you also have the option to type or paste in the link to the artist's website. Then upload an image or photo for the artist. As mentioned above, the station is not responsible for images uploaded through this option. Once you've completed those steps, click the green Add Artist button, and again, it will be added to the artist library. I'm going to go to the demo site to show you how the artist library is displayed. So go to the Music tab and click Artist Library, and as you can see, all of your artists will be listed below. If for whatever reason you want to delete this page or add items such as advertisements or images, you have to do that through the Menu Pages tab. So I'm going to go back to the admin, go to Menu Pages, and click Music. Now scroll down to the Music subpages, and as you can see, the artist library is listed below. Here is where you can edit or delete the page. When you click the yellow edit icon, you have the option to add more page items, such as sponsored advertisements, images, etc. When you click the blue title button, it'll take you back to the artist library page under the Tools tab. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on the page demo, visit our help article, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.